Hey friend, it is Kate here. Thank you so much for jumping on my channel and joining me for a class today. Now I have got a very fast, lovely little upper body exercise for us using our handy dandy resistance loop. Now if you don't have a resistance loop at home, but you have a resistance band, you can easily tie it in a knot and make one for yourself. But a lot of my Pilates classes, as you might already know, even if you don't have the prop, especially for upper body, you can still get a great workout. So making sure you're activating the muscles, you're still gonna feel that strong, wonderful sensation that we get when we do upper body work. This can help our posture out. Perhaps if you're sitting hunched over at your desk all day, a few quick minutes will make you feel so much better. So roll out your mat or just sit at your desk chair and let's get started. Okay, my friend, I'm going to be in a seated position just like this, but if you want to be seated at a chair or even your couch, as long as we're sitting up tall and straight, that's what's most important. You could even be standing for this. We are, as I mentioned, going to use a little resistance loop, whether you have one that's actually looped or you kind of tie your TheraBand into a loop, that totally works. Or you can try this without. You know that a lot of Pilates, you don't even need the propped there, so no big deal. But anyway, let's wake ourselves up at first. Belly button in, head lifts high. Take a moment, lightly press down into the tops of your thighs and lift out of your waist. Cinch the belly and very purposefully slide the shoulders high up to your ears and then roll them down the back. Again, push them straight up to your ears and then roll them down the back. 3 more just like that. Up we go, down and around. Up we go, down and around. Now forward, up, roll it forward. Up, roll it forward. 2 more. Last one. Pause here, broaden across the chest, but think about pulling your shoulder blades towards one another. Drop your right ear to right shoulder. And then 3 times I want you to point your nose down towards your shoulder and then look back up. A little twist, a little look. 2 more, little twist, a little return. Last one, a little twist, pause, take a breath. Bring chin to chest. Take your gaze forward. Same thing other side, opposite ear to opposite shoulder. Hold there for a minute, enjoy that stretch along the side of your neck, and then point the nose down and look forward. Point the nose down and look forward. 1 more time, point the nose down and then roll your chin to chest, bring your gaze upright. Take a pause, take a breath, and then let's go ahead and grab our little resistance loop. Now, I think it feels best to have it a little bit closer to the wrist, not right by your elbows. And then hug your elbows into your sides. Like I said, hold some newspaper underneath you. Roll the shoulders back, lift a little higher out of your waist. Take a big deep inhale. Keeping your elbows touching towards your side, just slightly push the hands away and then bring them back in. Exhale, push them away, bring them back in. So it's just a small little rotation. Exhale, I open, inhale, I close. Tone the tummy, open, inhale, close. 3 more, and 2. Last one, rotate the arms away and pause. Think about pulling the shoulder blades together towards your spine and the back of the body, lifting up a little higher. Take a big deep breath and then bring it in. Flip the palms so they're facing up to the sky. Really roll those shoulders back. It is so easy to cave in here. We want to have a nice, beautiful posture. Big inhale, push the thumbs away, pull them back in. Exhale, push the thumbs away, pull it back in. 3 more, and 2. Last one, rotate, pause. Hold there for a moment. Belly button up and in. Take a big deep breath. Big sigh out. Take the hands so they're pointing towards or away from the body. Palms up to the sky. There should be a little bit of tension in the band, and I want you to reach your fingertips out and away. Exhale, pull the elbows back into the chest. Keep the band nice and steady, so don't let it collapse. And then pull the elbows back in. Reach the hands out and away. Exhale, tone the tummy, let it return. Inhale, out and away. Exhale, pull it back in. 2 more, slow and steady. It's not about speed in this one at all. This time, reach the hands out, hold, flip the palms, and then rotate them back up. Now, while it really looks like it's my hands that are moving, I want you to think about rotating from underneath the armpits and letting that go. So it's almost like I'm trying to reach the sides of my arms up to the sky and then let that go. Exhale, little rotation, inhale, little release. Exhale, little rotation, inhale, release. Last one, rotate, pause. Is there still that resistance in the band? Could you put just a little extra resistance to make it a little bit more challenging? And then from here, big deep inhale, exhale, push the thumbs away, inhale, pull it in. Exhale, push the thumbs away, let it return. Now on that return, it could be easy to snap the hands back together, but we keep it smooth and steady. Same speed in and out. 3 more, exhale, open, inhale, close. 2 more, exhale, open, inhale, close. Last one, open, pause, take a big breath, pull the elbows back into your sides. Hold there for a moment, take a big, deep, filling inhale. Point the hands towards one another again, and then reach the hands out. This is a little bit funny, but we're just gonna move in our shoulders. Elbows stay straight and long, but I want you to roll your shoulders forward and back. So you can almost think of your shoulders as being like a little choo-choo, kind of going forward and back. They slide down and around, my shoulder blades wrap together, I lift my shoulders up. So we're finding that mobility there, using all of those muscles to help move our entire arm. My elbows aren't moving, they're staying long. I'm continuing to keep the little resistance in the band steady, even. And now pause, taken in the other direction, down and around, forward and back. Down and around, forward and back. Make this a very purposeful circle. You do get to almost cave the chest in, what I say to not do, but in this one we can. 2 more in this direction. Last one. And then pull the shoulders towards one another, lift a little higher. Put that resistance in the band. Now the elbows bend, the shoulders don't move. So I pull my elbows back behind me and I circle my hands forward. Exhale, pull it in, inhale, reach it out and away. Exhale, pull it in, inhale, reach it out and away. Exhale, tone the tummy, send it out and away. 3 more, in and out. 2 more, in and out. Last one, in, hold. Now reverse, choo-choo those arms around in the opposite direction. Again, you're keeping the resistance in the band steady. I'm never really letting my hands come closer towards one another. And it's not really about taking them as wide as possible. It's just opening them up wide enough that there is that resistance. Let's do 3 more and 2. Last one. Pull the elbows in, pause. Again, flip the palms up to the sky, shoulders down, head high, big inhale. Push the thumbs away from each other. Hold right there. We're gonna do little tiny pulses of the thumbs away 3 times. They go out. 3, 2, 1, pause. Tone the tummy. Again, 3, 2, 1, pause. Again, 3, 2, 1, pause. 2 more. 3, 2, 1, pause. Last one. 3, 2, 1, hold. Sit up taller, sit up straighter. Take a great big breath. Let the band go. Set it down, sit tall, sit straight. And just like we started class, belly button in, head lifts high. Take a big deep inhale. Big breath out. Reach your fingertips up to the sky. Rotate your pinkies towards one another. Lift a little higher out of your seat. Take a breath. Hands behind the head, push the elbows nice and wide so we get a little stretch across our chest and a little twist to the right. Return center, little twist to the left, return center, let that go. And then just like we started class, a little roll of the shoulders backwards, a little roll of the shoulders forwards. Sit taller, sit straighter, dip the chin to chest. Give yourself that double chin. Roll your right ear to right shoulder. A few times, point your nose down towards your shoulder, back up. Point your nose down to your shoulder, back up. Last one down. Chin to chest. Opposite ear to opposite shoulder. And then same thing. Little rotation and release. Little rotation and release. Last one, chin to chest, bring your gaze up. as always, pat yourself in the back. Thank yourself for doing something so good and just for you. Even a short little bit of time like this can make a massive difference in how we feel. So I hope your posture feels a little happier, our shoulders a little stronger, and I certainly hope that I get to see you again.